Hindi na mangingimi ang Bangsamoro Land Transportation Office ng MOTC BARM na gumawa ng legal na aksyon laban sa mga law enforcer na hindi kikilala sa issued driver's license ng ahensya. Sinabi ni MOTC BARM Minister Attorney Pai Salintago na ang kanilang pakikipagpulong sa liderato ng Cabacan Municipal Police at Cotabato Provincial Police Office ilang araw na ang nakalilipas ay isang pag-iit sa legalidad at validity ng issued driver's license ng kanilang tanggapan. Ito'y matapos hindi kilalanin ng isang pulis sa lugar ang issued driver's license ng BLTO. Ano na nga ba ang kinahinatnan mula sa panig ng pulis at MOTC BARM? Inilatag yan ni MOTC Minister Attorney Pai Salintago, exclusive.
Fake daw ang BARM na license po, di kami tinatanggap. Dito po sa fake po daw ang BARM. Malaki daw ang letter. Humihingi kayo po ng...
Malaman nyo na yung mga kinukuha.
Kaya gusto namin maghingi ng tulong sa BARM.
Pinikiraan lang yun dyan.
Na fake daw ang pan.
Dalawang araw ang nakalipas, simula nang mag-viral ang video, ito ang naging hakbang ng BLTO ng MOTC BARMM. Sinabi ni MOTC BARM Minister Attorney Pai Salintago na ang kanilang pakipagpulong sa liderato ng Cabacan Municipal Police at Cotabato Provincial Police Office ilang araw na ang nakalilipas ay isang pag-iit sa legalidad at validity ng issued driver's license ng kanilang tanggapan.
Maraming istorya, but nung nagpunta yung mga opisyal ng MOTC sa Cabacan, the story has died down, and the people, even those outside of the BARM area, understand the situation. Especially lumabas din yung reiteration of the memorandum of agreement that we signed with the UTR and the LTO in the national office, na lumabas na reiterating that we are authorized to issue driver's license and to issue registration of motor vehicles. So, yun nga, yung mga haka kay it was eliminated by that issuance or reiteration coming from the national government. Medyo ngayon comfortable na yung tao, yun nga, nawala yung kwan. Haka-haka yung insecurity regarding the licenses or the motor vehicle registration that we issued. So okay naman ngayon ang kuha namin, yung registration at saka pag-issue ng driver's license. So bumalik naman yung clientels ng BARM. It does not follow. Pero yun lang, sa matter of fact, yung nagbutas ng, yung ng issue no, nagbutas ng driver's license, we will personally file a case to that personnel in his personal capacity as employee of the LTO in the national government. Yung sa Cabacan, nagkaroon doon ng misunderstanding. That's why, yung pursuant to the agreement or understanding between the MOTC and the PNP in Cotabato Province, they will make proper corrections administratively, possibly, apology, possibly, mangyari na talagang di-accept na nagkamali yung official. They will take proper action regarding that measure because we told them na pag hindi na-correction na nito, our case will be filed. And hopefully within next week, there will be a positive action regarding that measures kasi may action ang PNP on their level. Possibly, there might be administrative sanction on the personnel involved in that case. Binayaran mo yung lisensya mo, kaya motor vehicle registration mo, tapos huling ka pa, So katapos marami pang marinig ka mga salita na ganon na parang yung iba na pinapahiya. So, it's too much inconvenience and we have to protect our citizens and the citizens of the Philippines. They will visit our office para explain their side of the story. MOTC through the Bangsamoro Land Transportation Office are doing their job regularly and in pursuant of law. So we are authorized to issue driver's license, and our driver's license that we issued is applicable anywhere in the Philippines.